feels like I'm flying.
Tiger.
Are you alright?
We...
Michael, do you like it?
I like it.
Oh, good. Dennis, do you like it?
Yeah, sort of.
Michael, do you like it?
My tushy has a
do you
weird
like it?
feeling.
I like
Hey,
it.
you're taking your...
Come.
Hey, Michael, that's dangerous. Don't do that.
Mommy.
Entire life. Thor is the largest deer you'll see out here, only standing about 3 feet tall at the shoulder. Now the other animal that we usually have in this area is a bear stinging. It's not here right now. It's in another area. We'll be seeing them in about 5 to 7 minutes. So let me just take this opportunity to tell you a bit more about them. The Barastinga deer are light brown in color, and they get their name from the look of the male antlers. The word Barastinga means 12 times. Now I'm going to play you a little information about the exhibit hut.
Look at the peacock.
In 1970, there was estimated to be only 66 of the Barasingha deer remaining in central India. But this population was saved by the cooperation of the local Indian community. Like the shacks you see here, there were many small farms using space in and around India's Kanha National Park. Through cooperation with the Indian government,
Enjoy the scenery. Most of the time they're sleeping. This is so funny.
With the teacher, and the teacher says it is physically impossible for a whale to swallow a human being because although they are large, the throat is very narrow. And the little girl says, but Jonah was swallowed by a whale. And the teacher says, I'm telling you, it's physically impossible to swallow. The little girl says, when I get to heaven, I shall ask Jonah. And the teacher, still irate, says, what if he's in hell? The little girl says, then you can ask him.